Ignoring olive oil could ruin your erections. Discover how a nightly shot of extra virgin olive oil can boost your testosterone levels, improve blood flow for rock-solid erections, enhance your overall sexual performance, support cardiovascular health, promote nerve and muscle health. So, are you ready for a game changer in your sex life? Could extra virgin olive oil before bed be the ultimate hack for rock-solid erections? Get ready, because uncover the powerful link between olive oil and erectile dysfunction, how it boosts nitric oxide production, enhances testosterone levels, supports cardiovascular health, and so much more. First up, let's dive into science. At night, our digestive system slows down, leading to a more thorough absorption of nutrients. This slower digestion process means that the monounsaturated fats and polyphenols in olive oil can be absorbed and utilized more effectively by your body while you sleep. Unlike during the day, when your digestive system is in overdrive, the nighttime provides a perfect window for your body to take full advantage of these beneficial compounds. Now, why is this important for erectile dysfunction and overall sexual health? When nutrients are better absorbed, they can more efficiently carry out their roles in your body. For instance, monounsaturated fats help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is crucial for optimal blood flow, and the polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants, help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation. This combination sets the stage for improved vascular health, which is critical for strong and reliable erections. Erectile dysfunction often starts with poor vascular health. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with polyphenols like hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents work wonders by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting the delicate tissues involved in erections. When oxidative stress is reduced, the damage to your blood vessels decreases, allowing them to function more effectively. This means better blood flow throughout your body, including to your penis. Better vascular health means better blood flow to your penis, resulting in stronger and more reliable erections. Think of your blood vessels as a network of highways. When they're clear and healthy, traffic or blood flow moves smoothly.